So what do you need in order to play Knightsbridge? You need your kit. Your kit contains the rules, your game board. If you're using a connected game board, it also needs a connected electronic sticker. You need, per player, a scorecard in order to keep trace of your challenges and how you move up the social ladder in medieval society from being a peasant to a squire to a knight. You have a reminder of the different types of challenges that you would have to do. We provide you with several printable pawns that you can use. You need a timer or a telephone timer, a dice to be able to move forward in the game. You need your pack of question cards with your different types of challenges on the back. Piece of paper and a pen, because you may be required to draw or take notes. Some Play-Doh, which your students will obviously have fun using. And again, if you're using the connected version, you may need to have a connected bracelet, connected cards, or a smartphone, an Android smartphone with NFC and the Smart Games Builder application. So let's play.